Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys, and today I want to talk about adjusting your brakes. I have my CJ-2A brakes here. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. You've got your lower adjusting cams. You've got the nuts for that. You've got the upper adjusting eccentrics and the nuts for that as well. What's really cool here is we have a tool. It allows you to adjust it without having to use one of those small wrenches or what have you. The fork end will fit perfectly on the upper eccentric. If you do have original lower adjusting cams, it will work for that as well. The aftermarket ones are just a little bit too big, so you may not be able to use that. But the socket end of this wrench will fit perfectly on those lower adjusting cams. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this over. I'm going to also point out that your upper adjusting cams, they're going to then shift your brake shoes in and out. And then your lower adjusting cams are going to help center on the brake drum. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.